Hello students, I am Dr. D.P. Singh and you are studying Statics and Dynamics. Today the topic is Principle of Virtual Work. Definition: Principle of Virtual Work. The necessary and sufficient condition for a particle or rigid body acted upon by the forces are in equilibrium is that the sum of virtual work done by the forces during small displacement is 0. Statement of principle of virtual work. The necessary and sufficient condition for the particle or rigid body acted upon by the forces are in equilibrium is that sum of virtual work done by the forces during any small displacement is 0. Proof. Necessary condition. After it. Suppose F1, F2, Fn, B and forces there and R1, R2, Rn. B. Position vectors the single force R equals to sigma F1 and couple G equals to sigma R1 cross F1. During a small displacement there is a small translation and a small translation U and a small rotation E. Displacement dr1 equals to u plus e cross R1. Virtual work dW equals to sigma F1 dot dr1 और sigma F1 dot U plus E cross R1 और U dot sigma F1 plus E dot sigma R1 cross F1 U dot R because plus E dot G sigma F1 equals to R sigma R1 cross F1 equals to G. Equation 1. Necessary condition. Suppose forces are in equilibrium if R equals to 0 and G equals to 0, then dW equals to 0. Sufficient condition. Necessary condition is that if the forces are in equilibrium, then single force and couple will be 0. Then from equation 1, dW virtual work will be 0. Sufficient condition. Sufficient condition. Suppose sum of virtual work done by the forces is 0. Equation from equation 1 0 equals to E dot R plus E dot G. If E equals to 0, U naught equals to 0. Then U dot R equals to 0, U naught equals to 0, R equals to 0. 2, 3. If U equals to 0, there is no translation, there is no rotation, and there is no U equals 0, E naught equals to 0. There is no translation, but there is rotation. Equation 2, 0 equals to 0 plus E dot G or E naught equals to 0, G equals to 0. Either or. From 3 and 4, R equals to 0, G equals to 0. That's the principle of virtual work. I repeat again. The sufficient condition of the virtual work. Suppose sum of the virtual work done by the forces during small displacement is 0. From equation 1, putting virtual work 0, we get equation 2 if there is two conditions. First, if E naught equals to 0, U naught equals to 0, then U dot R equals to 0, either U equals to 0 or R equals to 0. If U equals to 0, second condition, and E naught equals to 0, then E dot G equals to 0, either E equals to 0 or G equals to 0. G equals to 0, from 3 and 4, R equals to 0, G equals to 0. That is the principle of virtual work. Okay.